Hi there! Today I'm going to cover a review for SEO Power Suite, and there are four programs: Rank Tracker, Website Auditor, SEO Spyglass, and Link Assistant. First I'm going to start with Rank Tracker, so let me go ahead and load that up. Okay, so program's open. I'm just going to click New Project, and step one is to choose your site that you want to check rankings for. The reason why you would use this tool is to see how your website ranks on Google for certain phrases and keywords. So the site that I'm going to look at is a site called perfectpause.com, and so I enter the URL and click on Next, and then you're going to click the search engines that you want to check. I'm just going to check Google, so that's checked off, and click Next, and then you type in your keywords that you want to see what you rank for. So in this case, I'm going to look at crate training, and I'll look at crate training puppies, and let me look, I'll paste a few more in here. Okay, so I've pasted in some additional keywords, and I'm going to click on Next. There's actually a duplicate keyword here, so it's going to automatically remove that from my list. And here we are searching, and what it's doing, it's going through Google and it's looking at the first 100 results of Google to see where this website ranks for the keywords that I typed in. One of the reasons why I like this tool, I've looked at other tools, I've used other tools, and I think one of the big reasons why I like SEO Power Suite's Rank Tracker is because it gives you live results instantaneous. You don't have to wait 24 hours for your rankings to be checked. You can also shoot out white label reports to your clients to show them where they're ranking on Google, and overall it's a pretty effective program with a lot of features that I haven't even fully looked into, but for its basic purpose of telling me every day where my website's ranked for the keywords that I'm trying to rank them for, it's my favorite program. Okay, the keywords have completed. Well, let me rephrase that. The program's completed checking where the keywords rank now, and you can see I've done 5 keywords. Is the amount that I checked on, and it took about a minute to check. It usually takes a little bit quicker, but so this is your summary page, and click on Finish. And here is the results. Over here is the keyword, and then over here is your ranking in Google. So for the keyword crate training, this website, Perfect Pause, ranks #1 in Google. And then for the keyword crate training a puppy, so if you go to Google and you type in crate training a puppy, the #2 result over here, the #2 result will be this website, Perfect Pause, and the actual page that it's going to show is it's down here, perfectpause.com/crt.html. So that's a basic overview of how Rank Tracker works. There's more features, like I mentioned to you. You can do white label reports. You can actually implement this into your Google Analytics account. And at the bottom here, you can actually set up a graph here that'll show like if your site's going up or down in the rankings, and then you can see how your efforts have been paying off over the last few months, any SEO or search engine optimization efforts that you've been doing. So that's essentially it for Rank Tracker. As far as my review is concerned, I could probably spend a lot more time going through every feature, but essentially this is what I use it for 90% of the day, is just to check my rankings. There's a lot of other search engines, by the way, that you can check through. There's like hundreds of them. 341 to be exact, different search engines like Bing and Yahoo, and then Google in different countries. So that would be helpful too if you're based outside of the US. This program would be a great program to use. Okay, the next program within SEO PowerSuite that I'm going to review is SEO Spyglass, and I'm actually going in the order of the programs that I have most experience in, and that I like to use the most. I've used, of course, every program in the suite, but SEO Spyglass is one of my favorite programs. Rank Tracker is definitely my top favorite, but second place I'd say is SEO Spyglass, and that would be the second most popular program of their suite that I use. So SEO Spyglass, the way SEO Spyglass works is it allows, well, the way that I use it, and again there's a lot of features to it, and there's a lot of different methods of how you could use the program. The way that I like to use the program is to spy on my competition. And let me show you an actual example of how I'm going to see how the same website that we talked about earlier for Rank Tracker, how they're ranked and why they're ranked the way they are in Google. And we're going to do that by doing some spying on them. So, looking at the program, I've created a new project. Excuse me. We're going to go ahead and paste in the URL, click Next, and I'm going to click through here, and you can actually just skip that section, but if you want you can type in your Google Analytics information. There's a few captures here, so I'm just going to take care of that. That's an interesting CAPTCHA. Okay, so we're done analyzing the backlinks for this page, and total backlinks that SEO Spyglass has analyzed is 1,151 and took about 2 minutes. That's pretty good. I'm not going to update all of the information just now. I'm going to show you actually what my favorite information is to check. But so here's all the backlinks and the source that they used on the left here to find the backlinks. And here's the actual page that is giving the backlink, and then you can you can look at the title, do they link back and forth, the anchor text that is used in the backlink, the URL that is used in the backlink, and then the page rank of the backlink, etc. So I didn't check all of this information off, because I mean you could sit here all day looking through all this information. For me, I just wanted to get some basics to see where they're getting backlinks from. Now, I'm sure as you're aware, backlinks are not all created equal, so let's go look at some of their best backlinks, and then what I'm going to do is see if I can get my backlinks placed on that same page. And let me show you how I would do that. Okay, so step one, updating search engine data for backlinks and projects. So all I'm going to look at, I'm not going to look at really, I'm just going to uncheck everything. And uncheck. Alright, cool. So now all I'm going to check off is PageRank, because I want to see, and this is not necessarily the best process to follow, but it's just kind of a quick way to see what the top backlinks are that this website has, and then we can see if we can get these backlinks too. So let's look at one of the many factors I would consider is PageRank of the backlink. So click on Next, and it's going to take a few minutes to check the PageRank of 1,151 backlinks. It's actually moving very quickly. It's halfway done, and we're about 12 seconds in. So pretty impressive, because think about how long that would take you to look at all this guy's backlinks and then see which ones are the highest authority backlinks. So it's done in 22 seconds. Click Finish. Now what I'm going to do is sort the data by PageRank, and boom, shakalaka. I can see that one of their top backlinks is this website here, placeofmine.com/blog, is a PageRank 6. And I wonder where they're pointing to. Oh, I didn't check that off, of course. But I could, I suppose, update the anchor text. In fact, what you could do is, if you just want to check this one only, you can just right-click on this one specific backlink and update it for everything, and then allow it just to run the report for that one specific backlink. so that's cool. It took 14 seconds. Alright, so does it link back? Yeah, it looks like they are linking back and forth to each other. Anchor text is create training, and then anchor URL is going to perfectpos/CRT, and that's what we've been focused on. I'm sorry, that's the page we've been looking at. So let's go ahead and check out this URL. Let's see what's up with it. I'm going to click on it, and actually, on second thought, I'll let you do that on your own. How's that? Really, I just want to review the software and not necessarily get into process of doing SEO, because everyone has their own method. And this is more of a review on the software itself, not necessarily a tactic. But what I would do from here is I'd actually look at these top backlinks and then see if I can get backlinks on those sites too. And then you can actually analyze this backlink page. I can shoot this placeofmine.com into the SEO Spyglass and then see where they get their links from. So anyways, that's how I use the software, and I like it a lot. And there's like a billion other features that we could share with you, but I wanted to show you one of the favorite techniques that I use. And then your best bet is to head over and get the software and check it out, and you can get a free trial of it and check it out yourself. So let's go ahead and cover our next review of their next software. Okay, next product I'm going to review is Website Auditor from SEO Power Suite, and here's the best summary really of the program. It'll allow you to type in URL of a web page or a domain, a website, and you can audit the website and see any changes or errors that you need to fix that could be hurting your ability to rank well on Google. Not to mention, you could be providing a better user experience if you made some changes. So what this program will do is it'll look at broken links. So if you have a link and it doesn't work or goes to an old site, this will not correct it, but it'll show you to correct it. It'll look at HTML code errors. It'll also look at if there's duplicate content on your site, if any of your web pages on your website are not indexed by Google, and if you've got like titles in your HTML meta tag descriptions that are too long or they're missing, and other issues that could affect your rankings. So that's what you would use this for. And there's a couple of programs I've used for this purpose, and everyone has their own features, but this one's really good. They put together really good software, so I'll show you an example of how it works. Okay, so in line with our normal process, you start by entering your website URL. So I'm going to use our site that we've been looking at, or the web page we've been looking at all day, and paste it in there, click next. Okay, so here are the results, and again, I didn't run the report for every single page and URL, but I'm just looking at the top one here, and what you can see here is that this page help preview, preview 2.html, doesn't have any broken links, which is good. It does may not have meta keywords, so we could fix that if it's relevant to do so. Validation errors, it does have 7 errors, 6 warnings. So what's kind of cool is you can click this link here, which I've already done, and then it'll bring you to the actual error page, and it explains the errors and the warnings, and then you can have those corrected if need be. And then you've got some CSS validation errors, 217 errors, 82 warnings, blah blah blah. And then link value, well, never mind link value for now. But point being, here's the results page. You can go through it, and then you can have your web guy fix these errors. You can also do a really cool website report, which I'm running right now. And it's not complete, but it's a website structure audit report, and then it'll show you like page rank, Alexa rank, DMOZ listing, whether it's listed or not, Yahoo directory listing, etc. And then you can look at if there's any errors and lots of different stats and charts and very good information to share with your clients. So that's it for this review. Hopefully you can use that information and help build a better site that doesn't have as many errors, and which will help you increase your rankings.